enter at your own caloric risk.
How you doing?
Aside from the metaphor, I was hoping Rocky Road would help, but nothing. Nada. Not even a dent. You know, I thought Grant would help me get over Ollie. And if that didn't end badly enough, the moment I saw Ollie again, all those feelings just came rushing right back up.
Maybe it can still work between you two.
You don't know Ollie like I do. There are parts of him you've never seen.
That's a given.
I mean, sides of him. He's got this one side that I'm not sure I can live with.
And how would you know if you don't give it a chance?
We're not you and Lana. We're not the perfect couple. We are not destined for each other.
Lois, this isn't like you. Normally when things get challenging, that's when you get interested.
This is different. My dad was a general. He cared about me. But I learned really early that his role in the world was a lot more important than being a father. And you know what? For good reasons. And Ollie's life is demanding too.
Lois, just because someone's life has great responsibility doesn't mean your life has to take second place.
Of course it does, Clark. Can you imagine what it would be like to look into somebody's eyes and know that their destiny is so much greater than yours that you will never compete? You will always be left behind.
That would be hard for anyone, but...
No, I can't be left behind one more time. You know where Ollie's life is going. There's not room for me in it. And I know he'd never admit that, so I had to. I just, I can't face another heartbreak down the road. Besides, you know, why settle for hot, rich, and famous when I can hang out with you?
I guess you got Blondie's message, too.
I spoke to Lois. I'm sorry about what happened. Maybe she'll get used to the whole dual identity thing someday.
Yeah, like when? When the Earth cracks open and time ticks backwards? I don't think so.
Hey, thanks for coming. I guess I need to eat a little crow, huh? Is it too late to ask for an apology?
Apology accepted. Assuming you stop moonlighting for Lex.
That won't be a problem. I've decided to hang up my fishnets. I think I was a little out of my league. I'll just stick to being the word of justice. At least I can't hurt anyone over the airwaves.
Well, as long as they're not subsonic. Still, I gotta say, kind of seems like a waste.
Besides, Oliver and his boys could always use a den mother.
It's true.
I'm not really much of a team player.
Really? That's perfect. You're gonna fit right in.
What about you? I'd say ricocheting bullets off your back earns you the secret handshake.
Maybe someday.
Come on. There's a couple people I want you to meet.
Has anyone ever told you you have lousy taste in women?
Yeah.